I'm here again because I'm really sick and tired of it. I have been mentally and physically abused, and I just can't take it anymore. I, I just don't know. We've been married for almost 11 years. And things were good. Things were good until the doctor told me I can't conceive. He told me that I'm a creature, I'm not a woman. My husband told me I'm not a woman. He wanted more, and I couldn't give him more. I couldn't give him the child that he always wanted. For richer or for poorer, till death do us part. What happened to all the vows that we made? What happened to all of those vows? I don't know what happened to those. He's supposed to be my husband, but he failed. He took my virginity at school. He was caught cheating with the secretary, and I forgave him. Not once, not twice, over and over and over again. I forgave him. And I never once complained because I loved him. I remember he came in late one night and I asked him where he was. And he told me that, oh, I was with my secretary. He told me straightforward that he was with the secretary. And I started to question. I question it and I question him. And he hit me. BAM! And I was like, I was shocked because I wasn't expecting that from him. But why? I wasn't good enough for him anymore. My husband, he hit me. And after that, he did it over and over and over and over again. He put his feet on me. He treated me like a ball. And I'm honestly, I'm done. I mean, I try to leave. When I think of my job, my mom, my friends, they're all married. Like, I would be the only one who is divorced, and I can't have that because of my surroundings. My mother would kill me. Not to mention my father. He's my father's drinking partner. Because I loved him. I loved him with every string in my heart. I have never failed him, not once. I mean, he's my husband. And I honestly believe in the saying that says, till death do us part. He put his foot on me. He shook me. He hit me. And I'm honestly tired of it. But one thing I can tell you, I will not and I will never think about divorce till death do us part. And I am serious about it. Because